Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're going to answer the question, is a towel warmer worth it? Now recently, Steph and I were in Costco and we saw this towel warmer, and I thought it'd be so nice to have nice warm towels on a cold day. So we bought it and I brought it home, and I've been trying it out for the last 2 months, and we're going to talk about things I like and things I dislike.
And here at my house, I have a DIY solution that I've been trying out for the last month that I will share about. But first, let's get to Mom's review.
This is the Sharper Image Luxury Towel Warmer. I'm just going to go through briefly how it works. This is the unit. All you do when you get it, you just take the packing material out and you set it up wherever you need to set it up. And to use it, you just take your towels, and I just kind of feed them in there. There's 2 little openings in here, and they just go in just like that. Okay, plug it in, and you flip this down and you close it. And you press this button and you wait 10 to 15 minutes, your towels will be warm. And then once you're ready to use them, just pop that open and take them out. Okay, so we know that warm towels are really, really nice. So let's talk about a few of the things that were problematic, that I found problematic. And the first negative was when I first unpacked this, and you'll see here there's this blue tape. And there's blue tape on both sides, and that was to keep the lid in place while it was in transport. And this stuff, you have to work. I did get it off one little place over here, and you really do have to work to get it off. And the other thing was, is this lid. When I first got it, it was kind of glitchy. It wouldn't catch right away. The more I worked with it, the more, well, okay, there you see, it does have a problem at times catching. Now another thing, yes, the towels are warm, but also the towels feel damp. So when I take these out and use them, they have a damp feeling to them. And I did notice the other day, I looked at this really carefully, and there was a lot of condensation on here. So you think about it, it's just cold air in the room. This is hot. When there's 2 meet, they condense. So this is all, has water all over it. So obviously it's going to be damp. So I think the biggest negative with this towel warmer is where you're going to put it. And that's really something you need to think about before you buy this. Where in your bathroom, and that would be the appropriate place to put it, are you going to put this thing? Now, the 2 places that would have been perfect, here and here, wouldn't work because there's no outlets. I could put it outside the door, which there are outlets out there, but then I would have to open the door, let all that cold air in, and probably drip water onto the carpet. So really no good place, and this is the only place that I found. Like I said, don't really like this. It's a lot of real estate to give up in your bathroom for something like this. At this point, I've used it about 2 months. Am I gonna keep it? Not sure.
Well, over these few months, Mom has been talking about that towel warmer and about her thoughts on it. And she actually had this DIY idea. She said she thought maybe if you got a cooler and dried your towels in the dryer and then put them in the cooler, then took a shower and then took them out, I wonder if it would work. And I was like, hey, I have a cooler, let me try that out. So I've been trying that method for a month now, and spoiler alert, it works really well. So here is the cooler that I own. You probably have a cooler in your house. So all I did was clean out this cooler, made sure it was nice and clean inside. And then all I do is put my bath towel and my hair towel in the dryer, and I put it on the towel setting or on the freshen up setting. Leave it about 10 minutes, let it dry. And it's not really drying because the towel won't be wet, but it will make it nice and warm. And so once I'm done with that, I will fold it up, put it in the cooler, close it up, put it right by my shower, take my shower, and the towels are nice and warm after the shower. And it only cost me $0 because I already own the cooler. And we live in Florida, so we don't have too many cold days, but it is nice and luxury to have a warm towel. So for those days that it is cold, this has been a nice solution. But it's also nice because I don't really need to store something extra that I purchased to warm towels, because I already have a cooler and I can use the cooler during the summer for keeping things cold. What we learned. So I've tried a couple different methods to see what works the best, and I do have a heating pad that I heat up in the microwave that I usually put around my neck, but I tried putting that in the cooler with the dried towels to see if it helped keep them even warmer. And it did help keep them warm, but also without having it in there, they stayed just as warm, so I don't think that's necessary. And then I did try putting that heating pad in here without drying the towels to see if it would keep it warm on its own, and it didn't really do that. So I think the best solution is to heat up the towels in the dryer, put them in the cooler, and then you're good to go.
Well, I learned I really like nice warm towels. I did also learn that it's a little bit of work to do this. I don't like the amount of real estate it takes up, and I know I'm not going to use it in the summer, so where am I going to store it? So I think with all those factors, I think it is going back to Costco.
Thanks for joining. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And if you're wondering, yes, Mom is filming this video at my house, so she's really here, and I'm filming the video at her house, so I was there. We were at both locations at both times, but did you like how we did this like at both places, seeming like we weren't really together, but we really were? I know. It's crazy. We are so creative. Thanks for watching.